Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Financify, where we make finance and crypto easy to understand. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an OKX wallet account in 2024. If you are new to crypto or just looking for a secure platform, OKX is a great option. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the official OKX website by typing okx.com in your web browser, or simply download the OKX app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Just search for OKX and you'll find it. I'll be using the browser for this tutorial. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and open it in the official website of OKX. On the first screen, you'll see an option to sign up. Tap Sign Up to start creating your OKX wallet. Now, you will need to provide either your email address or your phone number. Choose whichever option you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll be using my email. Enter your details and tap Next. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. Make sure it's something strong and secure. You'll want a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account safe. After entering your password, tap Next. OKX will send a verification code to your email or phone number depending on what you use to sign up. Go ahead and check your inbox or messages for that code. Once you have it, enter the code and hit Submit. Security is crucial when it comes to crypto. OKX will prompt you to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. You can set it up using an authentication app like Google Authenticator. It's highly recommended to keep your account secure. Once you set up 2FA, you are good to go. To fully unlock all features on OKX, such as higher withdrawal limits, you will need to complete the KYC process. OKX will ask for some personal information like your ID or passport, and you will need to upload a picture. This step is required for security and compliance, so don't skip it if you want to access all features. Once you have completed the verification process, your OKX wallet will be ready to use. You can now send, receive, and store various cryptocurrencies securely. If you are new to crypto, OKX also offers features like staking and trading, so feel free to explore those too. And that's it, you have successfully created your OKX wallet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Financify for more crypto and finance tutorials. Also, if you have any questions or video requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.